This will make your house smell nice and free of mosquitoes and flies. I'll start with an orange, but it can be done with a lemon as well. Cut the bottom of the orange very straight with a knife so that you can stand the orange upright on your countertop. Now I will cut it more or less in the middle, making the bottom a little larger than the top. I will add cloves to both parts of the orange to give it a special scent. Meanwhile, let me know in the comments where you are watching me from. And tag someone else to see this recipe, too. You are going to take a candle and cut it the size you want your flame to be. With the help of the knife, you're going to open a little bit of the orange in the middle, and I'm going to stick this candle in the middle of the orange. And now I'm going to use some barbecue sticks and stick them in the orange like this. To finish, I put the other part of the orange on top. I set the candle on fire and your natural flavoring is ready. Make it at home, it's perfect. Now I will pass on a message that is in James 1:12, "Happy is the man who endures temptation, for when he has stood the test, he will receive the crown of life that God has promised to those who love him." The Bible says that Jesus was tempted in the desert by Satan, but he overcame all temptations. It is an example that we too can overcome by persisting in prayer, fasting, and also by always being vigilant. A kiss and see you in the next video. Bye.